Hello students, in my last video I had given you information about the image formation by concave mirror. Today we shall see what are uses of concave mirror, and in different examinations questions are asked that write 3 or 4 practical applications of concave mirror with appropriate scientific cause. So, very important thing is that we shall see what is the technology involved in particular use of concave mirror. So, first use, it is used in torches, searchlights, and headlights of vehicles. But what is the technology here? See, we had already read that, suppose this is concave mirror, this is concave mirror. So we have many times read that in the case of concave mirror, this is pole, this is center of curvature, suppose this is focus. So rays of light parallel to the principal axis, all rays of light parallel to the principal axis after reflection meet at a point on the principal axis, and this point is called focus. But see what happens in a reflector of torches, a reflector of headlights of vehicles, and in searchlight. In all these cases, see, you will see carefully in the headlight of any vehicle, a concave mirror is used as a reflector. And the technology is that, suppose this is center of curvature, this is focus. At focus of that reflector, bulb is fitted. See very carefully, what is technology here? In torch, in headlight of vehicles, and in searchlight, the reflector is made up of concave mirror, and at the focus of this concave mirror, bulb is fitted. And what happens here? Now rays of light incident at this reflector, whose nature is concave, becomes parallel to the principal axis. So this concave mirror gives us parallel rays of light, and these parallel rays of light are used with the help of these devices. Now, second example, just its reverse. In second example, we shall see it is used in solar furnaces or solar cookers. In the case of solar cooker or solar furnaces, see, there is a concave mirror is used as reflecting surface, and suppose this is concave mirror, then rays of light parallel to the principal axis of this concave mirror after reflection concentrate at a point. And now we have learnt it many times that this point is focus. So now suppose at this focus container is taken of solar cooker or solar furnaces, then rays of light coming from the sun after reflection concentrate here. So by this way it receives maximum heat and our purpose is served. So this is the technology here. Third use, it is used by dentists. Dentists use it to see magnified image of cavity in teeth. Next use, it is used as shaving mirror. Shaving mirror to make magnified image of our face. So these are important uses of concave mirror. Now the next topic is the image formation by convex mirror. So now we shall see how image is formed with the help of convex mirror. Convex mirror. Like concave mirrors, there are not 6 cases for convex. In convex mirror, we have only 2 cases. First case, if the object is at infinite distance from a convex mirror. Suppose this is convex mirror. This is pole. This is center of curvature. This is center of curvature. This is focus. So, if any object is at infinite distance, the rays of light parallel to the principal axis after reflection diverge, and when it is proceeding back, then it appears to, after reflection, diverge. This is the direction. So after reflection, it appears to come out from a point. So virtual image of object is formed at focus. Virtual image, it is not. See, a rays of light parallel to the principal axis after reflection diverge. So there is not any chance of meeting real rays. In such cases, virtual images are formed. The position of the image is at focus. It is point size. It is virtual and direct. So image is formed at focus. It is virtual and erect. It is point size. Case 2. If the object is in between pole and infinite distance. So if object is at any place beyond P, whatever be the distance. Suppose this object is here. Once again, we take a ray parallel to the principal axis, and as we know that the rays parallel to the principal axis in the case of convex mirror diverge after reflection in such a way that it appears to come out from a point and this point is focus. Now we take another ray in such a way that it appears to pass through center of curvature. It is not a real event, it is a virtual event, and virtually it appears to pass through center of curvature. Then after reflection it retraces its path. So these two rays virtually meet here. Suppose we have object A, B, then virtual and erect image of this object is formed here. So whatever be the distance of the object in front of a convex mirror beyond P, then image is formed between P and F. It is virtual, erect and diminished. And these two cases are well given in our table 10.2. See, in first case, what is the position of the object? At infinity. Object is here at infinite distance. Position of the image. Position of the image is at the focus F behind the mirror. Size of the image highly diminished, that is point size. And nature virtual and erect. Similarly, in the second case, between what is the position of the object between infinity and pole? So here the object is between infinity and pole at any place. What is the position here? Between P and F behind the mirror. See, image is formed between P and F behind the mirror. What is size? It is diminished. See here, it is diminished and it is also virtual and erect. Virtual and erect. So the synopsis of all informations of image formation by convex mirror is given in table 10.2 of NCERT, page 167 for your better reference. Suppose if you have not original book available at present, then I am giving you the information through our videos that where the synopsis is given. Now, next topic is that what are the uses of convex mirror? Uses of convex mirror. Uses of convex mirror. First use. It is used in rear view mirror of vehicles. What is purpose here? In vehicles we see that in the right side of driver there is a mirror, and this mirror is convex in nature. Why convex mirror is used? There is very important question which is asked again and again, that why convex mirror is preferred in rear view mirror in place of plane mirrors. So the reason is that convex mirrors formed diminished and erect image of any object. Also, its reflecting surface is outward tilt. Its reflecting surface is outward tilt, so its field of view becomes larger. It is why convex mirror is used in rear view mirror in place of plane mirror. Dear students, before concluding my today's lecture, I am giving you some homework. So today's homework is that solve questions of page 168 of NCERT textbook. For your reference, I am giving you here information in this video. First question is, define the principal focus of a concave mirror. Second question, the radius of curvature of a spherical mirror is 20 centimeter. What is its focal length? Third, name a mirror that can give an erect and enlarged image of an object. And fourth question, why do we prefer a convex mirror as a rear view mirror in vehicles? Just I have given the answer of question 4. Once again, I am repeating the answer. As convex mirrors form diminished and erect image of any object. Also, its reflecting surface is outward tilt, so field of view becomes larger. This enables the driver to see vehicles in large region, large area, so it is preferred. Thank you very much.